Good morning, everybody. We're making breakfast this morning. For breakfast, we got 2 oranges and 1 grapefruit with some ice in here and in our blend tank. And we're just going to be pulsing this first just a little bit. And here we go. Now we're going to hit the whole juice. The juice that we're having this morning for breakfast with waffles. It's a beautiful blend of 2 whole oranges, 1 whole grapefruit. Slide this to the side here, and of course it does taste very good. Now over here in the machine here, the brown, we have 2 cups of milk and 4 eggs. 2 cups of milk and 4 eggs. To that we're going to add a 1 1/4 cup of whole wheat flour and a 1 1/4 cup of regular flour. Make sure we get it all in there. Now we'll also be adding baking powder, 2 teaspoons of baking powder and 1 teaspoon of salt. Now we're going to be putting the lid on here. And inside this right here we have 1/2 cup of Crisco butter flavored shortening. It's been microwaved to make it nice and liquid for them. Now we're going to start this going here. We start going just a little bit and turn it back off again to make sure that we got the sides of it straight down good. Sides are looking good here. Put this right here. Now we turn it back on, and we pour in our Crisco right inside here. Now that's basically the waffles are done for making our waffles. However, we like to add a little more pizzazz to the waffles. So here's 1/2 can of apples that came out of a pie filling can for making apple pie. We'll just kind of put that in there. Okay. Now we'll blend that into it. Now we'll be taking 1/2 cup of, about a little less than a 1/2 cup of whole pecans. And some nice dark sweet chocolate pieces here. That goes in there. That's the very final part. Now we'll slow it down a little bit. Kind of blend, kind of fold that in there real good. And there we go. Now we have our finished product, which is going to be for our waffles. It gives us a nice consistency. Everything broke up nice. And I'll show you some more when the waffles get going. And now we're to the next stage where we're actually making the waffles. Now we're going to take some of our cooking spray, spray it on here. That's our waffle batter that we just made. Pour some on here. See how nice and thick it is here. And all we do is close it down, spin it, and we're making waffles. And our first waffle happens to be done. it off here. Take it off. See, beautiful waffle. Put it over here. Start the next waffle going. This is really easy. Nice, healthy breakfast. There we go. Now for syrup, we use Mrs. Butterworth syrup. This happens to be sugar water for the babies. We put it into an easier to pour container right here. Put on our Mrs. Butterworth syrup. We got so many other good things in there. It'll be an excellent waffle. And there we go. And we have the morning waffles. Have to try a piece here. Yes, they are very good.